Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday money matters in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money from Keystone Bank to another bank in 2025. With the latest banking tech, this process is faster and more secure than ever, but we'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it confidently from your phone or computer. First off, why bother with this? In 2025, instant transfers are the norm, saving you time and hassle for bills, gifts, or splitting expenses. Let's dive in. Step 1. Ensure you have the updated Keystone Bank app installed. Head to your device's App Store, search for Keystone Bank, and download the 2025 version if you haven't already. It's free and packed with new features. Step 2. Open the app and log in using your username, password, and any two-factor authentication code sent to your phone. Security is key, so always use a strong password and enable biometric login if available. Step 3. Once inside, navigate to the Transfers or Payments tab, usually front and center on the dashboard. If you're on the website, look for it in the menu. Step 4. Select Transfer to External Bank. You'll need to enter the recipient's details, like their account number, bank name, and possibly a routing code. Double-check this to avoid errors. Trust me, it's a game changer. Step 5. Input the amount you want to send and add any optional notes, like a reference for the payment. Keep an eye on any transfer limits or fees displayed. In 2025, most are under $5 for standard transfers. Step 6. Review everything on the summary screen. This is your last chance to catch mistakes. Once you're good, hit Confirm and verify with a one-time code if prompted. And just like that, you're done. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the money should arrive almost instantly. Remember, always monitor your account for any unusual activity and reach out to Keystone support if needed. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video. Stay savvy.